Hi children, today you are going to learn 8th class first chapter, that is rational numbers, in that exercise number 1.2. In the 1.1 we have already learned the properties of rational numbers. Here we are going to be solved that how to represent the rational numbers on the number line, and also how to find out some rational numbers between two given rational numbers. రెండు రేషనల్ నెంబర్స్ ఇచ్చి వాటి మధ్య ఎన్ని రేషనల్ నెంబర్స్ ఉంటాయని అడుగుతాం. బిట్వీన్ టూ రేషనల్ నెంబర్స్ వీ హ్యావ్ ఇన్ఫినిట్లీ మెనీ రేషనల్ నెంబర్స్. ఒక రెండు రేషనల్ నెంబర్స్ మధ్య ఇన్ఫినిట్గా చాలా రేషనల్ నెంబర్స్ ఉంటాయి. అవి ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి అని చెప్పేసి ఈ ఎక్సర్సైజ్లో నేర్చుకుంటాం. సో లెట్ us స్టార్ట్ అవర్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ విత్ బిట్ నెంబర్ 1. Represent 9/7. Represent 9/7 on the number line, and second one is -7/5. So let us represent the 9/7. How can we represent these numbers, rational numbers? As we know how to represent the integer numbers. So how to represent the rational number? See, it is a positive rational number, plus 9/7. No? So you take 0. What is the denominator? You concentrate on denominator. Denominator is 7. That means between 0 to 1 we have to divide it into 7 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is a 7. See now, here you have to write now 1/7, 2/7, because denominator is 7. 3/7, 4/7, 5/7, 6/7. This is nothing but a 1. No, 7/7. Then cancel, you get 1. Like that. Then again you have to continue 8/7 and 9/7, and make sure that the distance should be same. Always you take a scale and put the dots, then after you write these numbers, and this side you will get a negative numbers, -1/7, -2/7, -3/7. It continues like that, but we don't require negative number. No, we need a positive number, that is 9/7. Where it is? Here. Finished. This is what a simple thing. Now next, -7/5. -7/5. How to represent this -7/5 on the number line? Let us do it here. Simple, same thing. It is a negative number, so keep some space you keep that negative side it. So between 0 to this -1 you divide it into 5 equal parts, because as denominator is 5 here. Here -1/5, -2/5, -3/5, -4/5. Here you get, see, -5/5. -5/5 is nothing but a -1. Next, -6/5, -7/5. This is what we need to represent. Now this side you get positive numbers. You also write some positive numbers. -1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, 5/5, and so on. See, this you have to number. Finished. We have completed this first bit. So in this way we can represent the rational numbers. So we go for some second bit question. Here second bit, you see the second one is also a representation. Represent -2/13, comma 5/13, comma -9/13 on number lines. How to represent these numbers on the number line? See that all these three rational numbers, 2 is negative rational numbers, 1 is positive rational numbers. These all are having same denominator 13. Having same denominator 13. So what we have to do is, see, now you take a 0 here. Between 0 to 1 we have to divide into 13 equal parts. Let us take it here 1/13, 2/13. This distance should be same. You take a scale and make it 4/13, 5/13, 6/13, 7/13, and so on and on. But negative side we require. See, -1/13, -2/13, -3/13, -4/13, minus 5 by 13 minus 6 by 13 minus 7 by 13 minus 8 by 13 minus 9 by 13. What are the numbers we have to represent? First one minus 2 by 13. It is here. Just round up. Minus 5 by 13. Sorry, plus 5 by 13. Plus 5 by 13 will be here. Next to minus 9 by 13. So finish the representation. Always the representation should be done with pencil. Remember, we have to do with a pencil this. So 3 word. Third question. Write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 5 by 6. The given rational number here. The given rational number. The given rational number is equal to 5 by 6. We have to write the 5 rational number which are smaller than 5 by 6. Therefore, the 5 rational numbers, which are smaller than 5 by 6. Smaller than 5 by 6. How many we can write? Infinitely smaller than 5 by 6 rational numbers we can write. It is 5 by 6, no? You write like a 4 by 6, comma, 3 by 6, comma, yes, 2 by 6, comma, 1 by 6, comma, 0 by 6, comma, minus 1 by 6, comma, minus 2 by 6, comma, and so on. You can write infinity. In that way, we can write infinity number of rational numbers which are smaller than 5 by 6. We can also write the negative rational numbers also. See, 5 by 6 is a positive rational number. We can also write a negative rational numbers. So in this way we can write infinity. Chala rayochu. Okay. Then we go for the question number 4. Find 12 rational numbers between. Find 12 rational numbers between minus 1 and 2. Minus 1 and 2. We have to find out the 12 rational numbers. Okay, let us do the solution here. The given rational numbers. The given rational numbers. How we can say these are the rational numbers? Because these numbers can be written as P by Q form. Minus 1 by 1, 2 by 1 we can write. So they are called the rational numbers. So let us write here minus 1. This minus 1, how can we write this minus 1? This I will write, see, minus 1 into minus 1 into, I go for 12 rational numbers I have to write now. So multiply by such a number like 12 by 12 you multiply. 12 by 12 you multiply. So what we will do it? Minus 1 into 12 is minus 12 by 12. Why we have to do 12 by 12? Is there any change? See, 12 ones are get cancelled. Again we get minus 1 only. There will be no change. This minus 1 I have written again minus 12 by 12. Then 2 we will take it. 2 we write as a 2 into again 12 by 12 you do it. 2 into 12, that is 24 by 12. The given numbers we made it as denominators equal, like 12 by 12. Here minus 12 and plus 24. Minus 12 and plus 24. You observe now here minus 1 and 2. In this way, between this we have to write 12 rational numbers now. Here minus 1 is nothing but we can write now minus 12 by 12, and here 2 we can write as a 24 by 12. Between this we can write not only 12, we can write many rational numbers now. I hope you understood. We gave only two rational numbers. He gave only two rational numbers. If in that way, if you write minus 1, no, here 0, 1, only మనం రెండే రాయగలుగుతాం అట్లయితే. అలా కాకుండా ఇన్ఫినిటీగా ఎలా రాయాలి అంటే ఇలా మల్టిఫై చేసుకోండి. 100 by 100, 200 by 200, 500 by 500, 1 lakh by 1 lakh వేసామనుకో వీటి మధ్య ఎన్ని వస్తాయి చెప్పు. ఇన్ఫినిటీగా చాలా రేషనల్ నెంబర్స్ వస్తాయి అలా. సో హియర్ minus 12 by 12 which is less than minus 11 by 12 which is less than minus 10 by 12 which is less than minus 9 by 12 which is less than minus 8 by 12 which is less than minus 7 by 12 which is less than minus 6 by 12 which is less than minus 5 by 12. Minus 5 అనేది 4 కన్నా చిన్నది. సో minus 4 by 12 and minus 4 is less than minus 3. So minus 3 by 12 which is less than minus 2 by 12. Again this is less than minus 1 by 12. See any 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 it's a 11 happened. Now 0 by 12 and so on which is less than 24 by 12. ఇంకా చాలా ఉంటాయి. 1 by 12, 2 by 12. Here only negative numbers we are written. There are many positive numbers till 24. Okay, in that way. See now, this we can write now. The same way, therefore, now here minus 12 by 12 is nothing but minus 1. So minus 1, this we write minus 1 and the remaining all we have to write same. అంటే వీటి మధ్యనే రాయాలి కదా. minus 12 by 12, 24 by 12 మధ్యలో రాయకూడదు, వీటి మధ్య రాయాలి. సో minus 1 by minus 1 and this you write minus 11 by 12, minus 10 by 12, minus 9 by 12, minus 8 by 12, minus 7 by 12, minus 6 by 12, minus 5 by 12, minus 4 by 12, less than minus 3 by 12, which is less than minus 2 by 12, which is less than minus 1 by 12, which is less than 0 by 12 and so on. 24 by 12. 24 by 12 is nothing but 2. See, this is what they are for. Finished. We can not only 12, we can write infinitely many rational numbers between given two rational numbers. Between given two rational numbers, we can write infinitely many rational numbers. గుర్తుంచుకోండి. Yes. Now we go for the question number 5. Find a rational number between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. The given rational numbers, the given rational number numbers 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. 3 by 4. First మనం ఒకటి చూసుకోవాలి. ఏంటి 2 by 3, 3 by 4. ఇచ్చిన డినామినేటర్స్ సేమ్ ఉన్నాయా? ఇఫ్ డినామినేటర్స్ ఆర్ సేమ్ ఆర్ నాట్, లేదు, డినామినేటర్స్ సేమ్ లేదు. సో ఏం చేయాలి? సేమ్ లేదు. సో సింపుల్, దిస్ 2 by 3 ఇంటూ ఈ డినామినేటర్ ఇంటూ మల్టిప్లై చేయండి. ఓకే, 4 by 4 ఈ డినామినేటర్ దీనికి మల్టిప్లై చేయండి ఇంటూ 3 by 3. Yes. Now what you get? See, you will get here 2 4s are 8 by 3 4s are 12. అంటే ఈ 2 by 3 ని 4 times ఇంక్రీజ్ చేస్తున్నాం. For this 2 by 3 we are increasing 4 times and this 3 by 4 fraction we are increasing 3 times. For numerator and denominator both we are increasing, not only denominator, not only numerators, both we have to increase. So there will be no change. See, now if you cancel the 4 table, 4 2s are 4 3s are, you will get 2 by 3 again. 3 3s are 9 and 4 3s are 12. See that here 3 3s are 3, 4s are 3 by 4 you will get. That means nothing we are doing it, just we are doing that, just given fraction we are increasing, nothing but we are writing equivalent fraction of the given fraction. The equivalent fraction of given fraction. That means equal value of fraction we are writing. 2 by 3 is equal to 8 by 12 because when you cancel this 8 by 12, again you get 2 by. This 9 by 12 is equal to 3 by 4. When you cancel this 9 by 12 in the 3 table, you get 3 by 4. That means equivalent fractions we are writing. Now we have to observe. Okay, we have to write one rational number between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. Only one rational number. Let us see now, as denominators are same here, 12 and 12. Let us observe the numerators, here 8, here 9. Between 8 and 9, is there any numbers? No, we don't get any numbers between 8 and 9. So what we have to do? Now it is not sufficient. అంటే ఇప్పుడు 8 కు 9 కు మధ్యలో ఏ నంబర్ రాయలేం. సో అగైన్ we increase this. Again we increase by 2 by 2 ones. 2 by 2 ones. So what we do it now? 8 2s are 16 by 24. This will be 9 2s are 18 by 24. Between, see, 24 and 24. Here denominator 3 I changed as a 24. Here denominator 4 also I changed as a 24. That means now here denominators are equal 24 and 24. Now you compare the numerators 16 and 18. Between 16 and 18 there is a one rational number 70. Yes, now we can write. See, by 16 by 24 which is less than 17 by 24 which is less than 18 by 24. Between these two I have. So now I can write therefore 16 by 24 less. You can cancel this. 4 4s are, okay, are not, you just cancel 8 2s are 8 3s are. Nothing but this 16 by 24 is equal to 2 by 3. What's in there? 2 by 3 which is less than 17 by 24 which is less than, you cancel this in the 6 table, 6 3s are 6 4s are, that is 3 by 4. Sure. What is between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4 we got one rational number because only by multiplying 2 by 2. 2 by 2 తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే ఒకటి వచ్చింది. 200 by 200, 300 by 300, 500 by 500, 1 lakh by 1 lakh చేస్తే మనకి ఎన్ని వస్తాయి? ఇన్ఫినిటీగా మెనీ రేషనల్ నంబర్స్ రాయొచ్చు అట్లా. సో అది గుర్తుంచుకోండి. దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫస్ట్. ఓకే, నౌ నెక్స్ట్ ద లాస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. We go for the last question of this exercise, that is sixth one. Find 10 rational numbers between minus 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. The given rational numbers minus 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. 5 by 6. So let us write now here minus 3 by, how many we have to write? 10. 10 రాయమన్నారు. 10 కాదు 10 అన్న రాసుకోవచ్చు. This minus 3 by 4 we write here as it is into this denominator you take it, that is 6 by 6. First ఈ denominators interchange చేసుకోండి. ఈ 6 ను దీంతో 6 by 6 into 6 by 6 చేయండి. ఈ 4 ని తీసుకుపోయి into 4 by 4 చేయండి. The second denominator you multiply to the first fraction and the first denominator you multiply to the second rational number or second fraction. Minus 3 into 8 6, minus 3 into 6 is minus 18, 3 6 are 18 minus, and 4 6 are 24. Then we got the second one, 5 by 6 equal, this 5 by 6 into first denominator is 4 by 4. We first in that way you have to check. First you check in this way. This denominator you multiply to this fraction and the first denominator you multiply to the second fraction. In the previous question also we had done the same. అలా చేసి చూసినాం బట్ పాసిబుల్ కాలేదు. 8 and 9 వచ్చింది. Between 8 and 9 there is no number, no. Then we have increased again by 2 by 2 and then we checked, we got 17 between that. So in that way we have to check. 4 5 4s are 20, 6 4s are 24. See here 24 and 24. Minus 18 plus 20. Minus 18 plus 20. It is not plus 18, minus 18. So we will be getting a many rational numbers between this minus 18 which is less than minus 17 by 24 minus 16 by 24 minus 15 by 24 minus 14 by 24 minus 13 by 24. ఇవన్నీ 10 కాదులా ఎన్నైనా రాసుకోవచ్చు. 24 minus 11 by 24 minus 10 by 24, which is less than minus 9 by 24, which is less than minus 8 by 24, which is less than minus 7 by 24. How many we have to write? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 we have written. Not required. And let us less than 20 by 24. It is plus 20 again. It is minus 8 only. Minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, 3, 2, 0, plus 1, 2, 3, 4. We can write like that. Now when you cancel this, actually we have to write the rational numbers between these two, no? When you cancel this, here 6 3s are 6 4s are, we get only first one you cancel because we have to write the given question. This between this we have to write. So I will write this minus 17 by 24 minus 16 by 24 minus 15 by 24 minus 14 by 24 minus 13 by 24 minus 12 by 24 minus 11 by 24 minus 10 by 24 less than minus 9 by 24, which is less than minus 8 by 24, and so on. Here you cancel now 5 by 6, no? 4 5s are 4 6 are less than 5 by 6. So here we have written a 10 rational number. Not only 10, we can write infinitely many rational numbers between given two rational numbers. I hope you understood. Try to practice 2-3 times. You get and understand clearly again. Till that time, bye.